buddy Bert's house, and we're going to be trying out new wheels for the RSX. So this is pretty exciting. I've always ran 17 by 9.5s on this car. What is this Prius doing? And today we're going to be trying out some 18 by 10.5s, a lot bigger wheels. I'm doing this because I want to gauge basically what the car would feel like with some wider tires on it. It kind of doesn't hook with the supercharger sometimes, so like even in like second gear, and I just wanted to see like what it would be like, and yeah, I just want to try them out. So we're gonna throw them on the car and I'm gonna drive around a little bit and I'll show you guys what they look like, and then we'll go from there. Current sketch levels on the RSX, pretty sketch. It does feel pretty good, so I think we're good. Okay, the current sketch level is like 9 out of 10. I just hit like a huge, I just hit like a very small amount of water and my car just shifted to the next lane. So wish me luck, hope I don't die, guys. And yeah, hopefully this vlog ends up on the internet and not on the internet. Pretty nice 10th gen right there. Pretty clean, it's not like T's or something. Okay, current sketch level test. Lots of wheel spin. Damn, dude. Big turbo. Yeah, guys, these are the wheels I'm going to be trying on. Gramlite 57. These are DR. No. Yes. DRs. He's got the wide body. I don't know the name of it. Sheesh. 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 Sir, don't mess up my work wheels, sir. Sir. Oh, what? Sir. Oh my god.
American tires.
Oh no. That's boo-boo quality.
Fuck the GoPro, all the fucking videos we made.
Oh, is it gonna fit? What the hell? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Dude.
It literally looks like what your wheels are right now with just better poke out for the calipers. Like it doesn't look that tight. Man, that looks clean.
Oh.
Actually tucks stuff.
Yeah, why does it tuck more?
Like it's not like yours, it's like super out.
What the heck?
You have a much bigger wheel gap on this side. That's about like a finger and a half. It's like I can barely put a finger in this one. It says inboard.
Yeah, what the heck? Are they plus 22s?
No, plus 12s.
It says on the back? No way.
There's like 2 fingers in there, maybe like a finger and a half.
What the hell? That moment when your wheels don't clear the Evo's rear brakes? Dude. But it looks freaking good.
What does it?
This looks so fire. Dude, the white and the gray and the black, bro, it's like perfect. It looks so good.
25 years? I've never once bought a set of new wheels.
Damn.
Not a single time.
Okay. Maybe that is more fire. Okay, hit him with it.
Get him at tuck.
Damn. Okay.
Tires don't work that well, but for the fucking rim, oh, I love it. And it's cheap.
Once I get it off the brick. Ooh, ASMR. My camera will focus.
Hit him with the.
Ooh.
Shout out to McGuire's.
Before he's spraying it so slow.
Sub my boy, sponsor my boy Roy, the boy.
Oh yeah.
So we can keep our shit, we can keep our goodies cool.
Guys, go follow this fool. What's your Instagram?
Bert.Dachino.
Bert.Dachino. I'll put it right here. Follow him. Check out his Evo. Wait, that's actually so clean now. But it's raining, dude. It's just gonna get dirty again.
No, but look how clean it looks. Anyways.
Oh, wait. Before. Alright, so we got this side. And we got this side. It definitely doesn't poke out as much. I kind of like it. Damn, that actually sounds really good. I'm trying to tell if it's that much wider. It is wider, but I could just run tires that are bigger. Dude.
You know that centerpiece?
Look at the clearance. There is no clearance. Where's the clearance? Dude. And it wasn't rubbing. That's literally like 1 freaking millimeter on the trailing arm. What the hell? Okay, go.
One more.
Do it again.
Boys. I'm going to the gym.
Do it.
I can
Bro.
do one hand. I can do one hand.
This is so sketchy.
Alright, I'll get the wheel. I'm not even joking. It's heavy.
I go. Damn. Alright guys, so just kidding. I'm not gonna be putting the wheels on the car. Well, like permanently. But Bert, the homie, has these for sale. So if you want some mint condition 57 DRs, 18 by 10.5 plus 12, hit them up. 255, 35 tires on them. I don't know what they are. They're like all seasons, but hit them up. Are those Name Kings?
Nah, Sumitomos.
Okay, I don't even know what that is. Anyways, hit them up. Bert DeCino. Instagram right here. Hit them up. Hit them up for these wheels. You want some gun on the low. Well,
Yeah, on the low. Make me an offer.
like 20 bucks and like lunch, and like you get these, like just do it, like do it.